Hey guys, and welcome to Martin's diecast review. Today we're going to look at Greenlight Hitch and Tow Series 7. Let me open up the box. Okay, so looking at this case, it's a little bit more different than the previous one. The previous one, pictures will be posted to my blog. Information for that blog will be down in the description. But let's take a look at this real quick because I only have less than 5 minutes. First off is the 2015 Ford Explorer. Pretty cool one. Up next is the 2015 Ram 1500 Mopar Edition. Pretty cool one. Here's the other 2015 Ford Explorer. Awesome. Alright. I'm glad I got a green machine out of these cases. This is the 2015 Ford F-150 Golf Oil number 66. It's a very nice one. That's the green wheels. Awesome. If you haven't seen on my Instagram at martintheman16, I actually picked up the Dodge Mopar Edition green machine. So to have this one, it's awesome. Now I just need a couple of other ones from this series and I'll be happy. Here's the other Ram Mopar Edition. Pretty cool. If I do unboxings, I will show you guys. If I open these up, I will show you guys that too. And last is the 2015 Chevy Silverado and State Fair concession trailer. It's pretty cool. Awesome. Let's see. It looks like we got all of them in here. It's a pretty nice series. Series 7 was probably the best ones. So, see you guys later. I hope everyone's having a great day. If you guys want any close-ups of each model, might do it by picture. Who knows? I'll see. I don't know if I will open any of these up or not. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.